How to sell items on Roblox. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll demonstrate how to sell items on Roblox. So if you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please also consider leaving a like. Now let's get right into the guide. To begin, head to the Roblox, and there are two ways to sell different things on Roblox. You can sell general Roblox items. Secondly, you can sell specific items like shirts and game passes. Start by finding the item you want to sell in your inventory, and remember that you can only sell items on Roblox that you haven't created yourself, which are limited. Look for the items in your inventory labeled as limited. Sell this item by tapping on it, and this will take to the sales page. To sell it, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and then select Sell. To sell collectibles or limited items on Roblox, you need to have a premium membership. You can also sell your creations such as shirts without a premium membership. Set the price for your item considering the factors like average price and marketplace fee. Once you set the price and complete the process, your item will be listed for the sale. And if you want to sell items you have created on Roblox, you can go to the Create section at the top of the Roblox and find the items you want to sell under the Experience or the Avatar items. For example, if you want to sell a shirt, tap on it and set a price. Save the changes and your item will be available for the purchase. So it's that simple. So this was all about it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.